15 ବର୍ଷ କେମିତି ସାର୍?
83 ରେ ରିଲିଜ ହେଲା ଡିସ୍କୋ ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସର ହିନ୍ଦୀରେ ମିଥୁନ ଦାର। ମୁଁ ଲୁଚିକି ଦେଖେ ତ ସେ କହିଲା ମୋ ବାପାକୁ ସୁଧାକରକୁ ବି ଗୋଟେ ଆସୋସିଏସନର ଗୋଟେ କାର୍ଡ ବନେଇଦେବା।
ସେତେବେଳେ କାହିଁ ବାପା ଚାହୁଁନଥିଲେ ଯେ ଆପଣ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ, କାରଣ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ତ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ନା?
ବାପା କହିଲେ ନା ଇସ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟୁ ଷ୍ଟଡିଜ୍, ତ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ, ସେ ସିନେମା ଆସିବନି।
What about your wife?
वीकली 7 days रे 4 days पूजा।
You have worked with so many people, but when the name Prabhudeva is coming,
Yeah.
so it's a different kind of feeling.
प्रथमे काम कली जीवन एक संघर्ष, अनिल कपूर फिल्म, and he was the choreographer.
He came to acting and you also came to acting. Why? नमस्कार, मु प्रिय मो सहित जी बसंती तांकर परिचय देवा किसी आवश्यकता नाही। से ओडिशा इंडस्ट्री हो, तेलुगु तमिल इंडस्ट्री हो, सबु इंडस्ट्री रे वेल नोन। तांको चेहरा ही काफी। से होचंती सुधाकर बसंत, जे ओडिशा रो जणाशुना डायरेक्टर और कोरियोग्राफर। ता सह ओडिशा बाहर मध्य से डायरेक्टर, कोरियोग्राफर, प्रोड्यूसर, एक्टर भाबरे वेल नोन। सर नमस्ते।
नमस्ते।
केमती सर आपनको बहुत दिन पर आपनकर मोर देखा हला, केमती लागुछि?
बहुत खुशी लगुच, बहुत खुशी लगुच। सेम मु प्रथमे केमती मीट कलु तुमको और केमती परिचय हला, सेमती कंटिन्यूइंग स्टिल।
सारଙ୍କ विषय आपण गोटे जिनस जानि नथिबे कि जानिथिबे, मु तो जानिनि, किंतु मु आपनको कहि दे जे जेतरा मात्र 15 वर्ष बयस हेतिला सेते बेलु से कोरियोग्राफी स्टार्ट कले। 15 वर्ष केमिति सर?
बापा ऑल्सो कोरियोग्राफर, बापा संगे शूटिंग जाए, बापा घरे क्लासेस थाए डांस प्रैक्टिस, मु लुचिकी देखे। 83 रे रिलीज ହେଲା ଡିସ୍କୋ ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସର ହିନ୍ଦୀରେ ମିଥୁନ ଦାର। ସେଇଟାକୁ ତମିଲରେ 84 ରେ ରିମେକ୍ କଲା, ଆନନ୍ଦ ବାବୁ ୱାଜ୍ ଡୁଇଂ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମୁଭି। ତ ସେ ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସକୁ ଦେଖି ଇମ୍ପ୍ରେସ୍ ହେଇକି ଆନନ୍ଦ ବାବୁର ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟେପ୍ ମୁଁ ନିଜ ମୋ ବାପାକୁ ଲୁଚିକି ମୁଁ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରେ, ମୋ ମା ଦେଖେ, ତ ମା ବାପାକୁ କହେ बहुत बढ़िया डांस करची। तापरे सलीम मास्टर सीनियर कोरियोग्राफर, माय फादर्स वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड, बहुत हिंदी फिल्म भी किया, तूफान, इमत वाला सब फिल्म रो कोरियोग्राफर। तो से कहला बापा को सुधाकर को भी गोटे एसोसिएशन रो गोटे कार्ड बनै देबा, तो इट विल बी यूजफुल फॉर द फ्यूचर। बापा कहले ना इज इनटू स्टडीज, तो दरकार नहीं, से सिनेमा आसीबो नहीं। तापरे से सिनेमा आसो ना आसो नेके रखो, तो एमती एसोसिएशन रो मेंबर हेली। मेंबर होला बेलू बापाଙ୍କର शूटिंग आरंभ है, तो बापा के सागर असिस्ट करी मु कली, देन सलीम मास्टर सागर असिस्ट कली, सेमती कंटिन्यूड फ्रॉम 87।
सेतबे काहे बापा चाहू नथिले जे आपण इंडस्ट्री को आसंतु, कारण इंडस्ट्री तो बहुत भलो ना?
ना, इंडस्ट्री बहुत भलो, बट बापा चाहते तांग फैमिली रे गोटे एजुकेशन रे गोटे बढ़िया पढ़ो और बहुत अच्छा चाकरी करो, मंथली इनकम, बिकॉज फिल्म इंडस्ट्री रे स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट मंथली नहीं। अच्छा, तो मिलू ना मिलू, तो वाई टू रिस्क, सेमती गोटे
कंडीशन रे कोनसे नो रिस्क वेरे जीवा पई पिलाटा को से भी तो बहुत रिस्क उठे थिबे ना?
बहुत रिस्क उठे से टाइम रे बहुत कम पैसा, तो तभी ही वाज अर्निंग गुड एंड मेड अस स्टडी वेल। मु दीटा बौनी अछंती एंड स्टिल हैप्पी लिविंग, नाउ इज 85, स्टिल हेल्दी, टच।
व्हाट अबाउट योर मॉम?
Mom, she's a housewife. She's 77 and looking after my son, my wife, my father. Housewife.
What about your wife?
My wife, she was also an assistant choreographer for Rekha Chini Prakash in Mumbai, and then she assisted me. And more जितने काम होची ओडिशा रे से shooting समय से आसे से मते साहाଯ୍य करे। And
so it's a love marriage.
Yeah, love marriage.
So how did you meet?
I met her in Mumbai. I was working at Chini Prakash. She was working at Rekha Chini Prakash.
Okay.
तो एमती आम थ्रू आउट आम काम करूँ। देन 92 रे वी वेंट फॉर यूरोपियन टूर फॉर रजनीकांत स्टार नाइट, ओके, स्विट्जरलैंड, कनाडा, जर्मनी, एंड शी वाज माय पैर। एंड सेमती आम जोड़ी एमती कंटिन्यू है। देन वी आर डूइंग फॉर हिंदी फिल्म महबूब स्टूडियो रे मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी, ओके, अक्षय कुमार, सैफ अली खान से सॉन्ग रे आई प्रपोज्ड हर एंड आई सेड आई लव यू, शी एक्सेप्टेड।
So you are more romantic than her?
Still.
Oh my God, that's great. मैडम को सहित मिसला पर आपनकर माने करियर ग्रोथ बेसी हैला कि कोन?
Yeah, sure, because of her guidance is very much always भगवान के सकाले 4 बजे उठ के she used to pray God, make pujas, weekly 7 days रे 4 days puja, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 4 days पूरा, and Saturday बालाजी भगवान हनुमान जी का। So she prays for me to have a good health and good work, और भी आगे बढ़ो बहुत नाम कमाओ एमती गोटे
You have worked with so many people, but when the name Prabhudeva is coming,
yeah
so it's a different kind of feeling. I mean, I have not met him yet, but still, it's a great feeling. Like he's a legendary dancer.
wonderful choreographer,
So,
wonderful dancer.
oh, yes. So, ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କେମିତି ଲାଗିଲା ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ?
ନା ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରଥମେ କାମ କଲି ଜୀବନ ଏକ ସଂଘର୍ଷ ଅନିଲ କପୁର ଫିଲ୍ମ ଆଣ୍ଡ ହି ୱାଜ୍ ଦ କୋରିଓଗ୍ରାଫର ତ ସୁଟିଂ ହେଉଥିଲା ଚେନ୍ନାଇରେ
Okay.
ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦେନ୍ ଆଇ ଡିଡ୍ ମାଇକେଲ ମଦନ କାମରାଜନ କମଲାସନ ସିନେମା ହି ୱାଜ୍ ଦ କୋରିଓଗ୍ରାଫର
ସେତେବେଳେ ଏଜ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କେତେ ହେଇଥିଲା?
that time I must be 19 20
Okay.
then I did Raja
Very
Vikram
early age.
then I did Raja Vikramaditya. He was the choreographer. Chiranjeevi sir was the actor.
Oh my
that also we shot in Chennai. Then Gang Leader ke Hindi version Aaj Ka Gundaraj, that also was shot in Hyderabad. He was the choreographer.
That was a super duper hit.
Yeah,
that
he was the
that time.
choreographer.
Yes.
Like that, continued working with him, and he was a very good composer, very good talented choreographer still.
He came to acting, and you also came to acting. Why?
No, not like that, but he is talented and unka
No, I'm asking about you because I know. Why did you come to the acting line?
acting ମୋର ମାର ବହୁତ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଥିଲା ମୁଁ
Okay.
hero ହେବା ପାଇଁ ତ ସେମିତି 1991 now the CM of Tamil Nadu Mr. Vijay उनका father का direction था I was launched
Okay.
and
Wow.
Ilayaraja was the producer 1991 in Isemalai and then from there I continued then also as an actor more than an actor I was very much interested in dance.
Okay.
So I focused in dance. Then I assisted Chini Prakash Masterji in Mumbai. Then Udupi Jairam Master in Karnataka. So from there I traveled. And 97 I got an offer from Time Video because we regularly worked with the Gambler
Nice.
movies. So many films of Time Videos. Ruku Ruku
Arre Baba.
Vijay Path film.
Okay.
So Krishna Janjariya song. So all we worked. So Praveen Bhai was interested and Inder Kumar was the actor. Masum unka pratham cinema as an
yes,
actor.
yes.
So unka sab gana I was assistant choreographer. Then he asked me, "You like to become an independent?" I said, "If I get a chance, I will do." Then he offered me a chance from Time Video, and we did one song. From there, I thought, okay, even I can choreograph songs. Then from '97, I started doing independent choreography.
So that is it.
In meanwhile, choreography, acting chance also coming. Acted in
It
films.
was a turning point of your life.
Yeah, 1997 was my turning point.
How the thought came कि you should come to Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and you should direct any movie or choreograph any movie?
I was trying South films. I was doing Malayalam movies a lot.
Telugu, Tamil, those both close to each other.
Like
or what?
Odisha, Bengal, Chhattisgarh, MT, aspas sab.
Okay. Style
Yeah.
same. Okay.
MT काम कला वालों को the first I got an offer from Gopal Jokesh, director. Solo Shukrwar. So say समय 1999 Bhatya
As a choreographer.
80 Bhatya dila, so they couldn't able to shoot here. They came to Chennai and they were searching for a choreographer who knows Hindi and English.
Okay.
So city language problem बहुत थिला. Then they approached our association and they suggested me because I worked in Mumbai and all. So they said he can understand your language. So there I started. And his second film, Prem Bandhan. Again, he approached me and he called me for Odisha
Choreography once again.
as a choreographer. Then I stepped into Cuttack Silver City and I did a song for Prem Bandhan.
Wow.
And then from there, continued films. And then as a director, Rajini sir and Prashant Padi, they gave me an offer when I was doing Romeo the Lover Boy in Visakhapatnam, Babu Chandra. They called me and Masterji quoted I was in Visakhapatnam. Apno Shikar Asan to Bhubaneswar, we have a good offer. What is that?
Wow.
We want to make you as a director. So 70 milla Mitore Mito.
That was also super hit.
Yeah, so very come time 28 days से shot किया से cinema.
Wow.
से समय shooting was happening for 60 days, 70 days, 80 days. The first time I shot that film in 28 days and the film gave me a very good name. Through that cinema, I got Prem Bandhan.
Oh, wow. But which place is very, I mean, cheaper? Odisha or Chennai?
Chennai is costly.
Okay.
Chennai to adhika costly, Andhra, Hyderabad. But Odisha, living wise and making wise, everything is budget controlled and people cooperation is very too much good. All over states, everywhere people are good. And motte moro both flexible aigolani Odisha re. I prefer Odisha.
But the main problem here is we don't have a good studio like Hyderabad and all.
Hyderabad also only Ramoji is there. Because
Yes,
that also
Ramoji
there.
and
Annapurna studio, Ramnath studio was there, but now very much focused in Ramoji Film City.
Ramoji Film City. That was a huge. I mean, that is a huge one.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. So you did Tamil film, you did Telugu film. So why didn't you continue with the acting and all? But I got to know कि you are going to act again.
Yeah, very soon I'm going to launch myself and I'm going to direct that movie.
Please give me a chance. I would like to. I love to work with you.
Sure. Because I wanted many youngsters to come
Yeah.
and create something good and entertain the people.
No, what I think new actors should come into
Yeah,
the
sure.
industry.
In industry, new people should come.
Yes.
Because in Tamil industry, we have 200 euros. In Andhra, we have 300 euros. In Kerala, we have 100 euros. Karnataka, we have 80 plus euros.
Here the fear is there. If the hero is not a hit one, then the filming go in a wrong direction.
Actually, film is a gambling. Jua khelo. But when you give a good content, actually the film the hero is kahani. Se kahani bolo se hame portray korle, automatic people love to see the movie.
Right. Sudhakar Vasant 2010 re Tarang Cine Award Best Choreography, ETV Film Awards रे Best Director बाळुंगा टोका ପାଇଁ ପାଇ सकते काहे कि एबे फिल्म करनांते एबे काहे कि आपण किछि दिन हला पूरा स्टॉप हे
एमती किछि ना आफ्टर कोविड टिके इंडस्ट्री टिके
डाउन हे
डाउन कोई पारिबिनी बट टोटली no producers were not making movies,
but now
and
बहुत कम
budget film में गोला and then making only telefilms. So big screen films very rare, but now again it has groomed and एबे बहुत बड़ा cinema asuchi. Yes. And now in the meanwhile I more cinema Bijani release alla, Wife release alla, Salam Bhuvaneshwar release alla. So, but not like 2009, 10, 11 continuous films.
Yes. That issue is
but
not
again, this year might come because moro recent release of Ei Bole Bolo Paiva and Hitler. 2 films are ready to release.
Okay.
So for this Ganesh Puja, and it will release. After that release, I'm committed to 2-3 producers. So that film will come again, start on very soon. So
you are coming with a special movie.
Boxy
Jagabandhu related to a hero of Odisha.
Yeah.
So how that film is going on?
The paperwork is finished. Only the star casting because multi-language film.
Okay.
So we are taking stars from all the states, and it's a huge budget movie. So discussing with the producer, and it should be very principalized movie because
okay.
Time factor, because all big stars will be coming and we shouldn't waste that time. Right time re seta plan koriki bolo se koriya pa chahunchi.
You are asking some Bollywood artists to come to the
Bollywood from Bengal also.
Okay.
From Andhra, from Kerala, from Tamil Nadu, and we spoke to Mr. Satyaraj sir also.
So it will be a different kind of movie and
multi-star cast, and basic mother language will be Odisha. Okay. From Odisha it will be into different languages. Okay. Odia language रे प्रथमे बनाइबी और से language को सब language रे डब होई जिवो.
को बाळुंगा टोका रे आपनकर अनुभव करो रिलेशनशिप बहुत भलो तला.
एबे भी अछि.
Is it there?
Yeah, is there.
Okay, then why you are not doing any movie with the money consent is there?
Na empty kichi na, all depends upon the time.
Okay.
When the right time comes, again we'll be joining and we'll be doing.
Okay. So what do you think, who are the best actors of this industry? I know this is a very critical question, but still, if you want to answer, then only you can answer.
No, not that. All are good stars. All artists, both Mehnat Kurchanti, they wanted to entertain the people of Odisha. And now some Odia films are releasing in Bangalore also.
Yes.
Bangalore, Hyderabad. So they wanted to entertain all our good stars. Because right from Anubhav, Babushan, Arindam, Akash, Sambit, Deepak.
Yeah.
Abhi Moro cinema release of, even he's a wonderful actor. So all are wonderful stars, I can say. Now I'm planning for 3 movies. Okay. And I'm searching for a new young hero.
OTT हमको सिखेला कि हमें पूरा नुआ आर्टिस्ट को सहित जाए कि बेस्ट मूवीज बने परिबा. So why not in Odia industry?
Very soon we are planning for an audition, and we are going to call from the 30 districts key talented hero heroines. We are going to audition sorla pore we are going to launch them.
सी ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ବଢିଆ ଚାନ୍ସ
Because still people remember my balanga toka. ମୁଁ କୋଉଠି ବି ଯାଅ stage ଉପରେ ଚଢିଲା ପରେ immediately they play the balanga toka song and people still recognize. So balanga toka time they must be 10 years 11 years.
you are saying still recognized, that will be recognized till I don't know how many years.
Yeah, it's a fabulous movie in my career.
Yes, that movie is fabulous, that those songs were fabulous, and we can't even forget the movie.
Yeah, good thing.
Because the way it has been done, that is a great thing, I would say.
We didn't expect से सिनेमा पढ़ला बेलू आम इतने एक्सपेक्ट करूनी इतने बड़ हिट हम बोली बट बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस प्रभुंर आशीर्वाद से सिनेमा दसरा में रिलीज है जो ब्लॉकबस्टर फिल्म
मत लगुच अनुभव को जितना स्टाइल शिखै आपण शिखै मैंने साउथ स्टाइल गुड़ा जो चेन्नई ये वो स्टाइल सब स्टाइल अनुभव को आपण शिखै
एमती किसी ना इवन ही इज टैलेंटेड एक्टर तो तांकर कंट्रीब्यूशन भी होची मोर कंट्रीब्यूशन भी होची मिसिकी गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग रे बाहरला
एबेर टाइम रे आपन को कोन लागुच कोन चेंज होबा कथा सो दैट आम ओडिया इंडस्ट्री टिके ग्रो करिवो बिकॉज एवरीवन इज ट्राइंग टू लाइक मेक इट ग्रो बट द प्रॉब्लम इज इट्स नॉट हैपनिंग येट कोन चेंज करा
दे हैव टू व्हाट टू से आई डोंट नो बट बोलो प्रोड्यूसर दरकार he has to select a good director and good story should come out and then good hero heroine and the content should be made presented to the audience in a fabulous way केमती हिंदी फिल्म होची तेलुगु सिनेमा होची अभी वर्तमान इंडिया रे देखला बेलको तमिल भी टिके तोलको पड़ेला तेलुगु has grown up like anything it's groomed after Bahubali RRR and all then Kannada industry was very small after KGF it has groomed.
But yes, I want to ask you one more thing. Why the CGI is not that much good in Odia industry? Do you think there is no one here to do that kind of thing?
ओडिशा रे बहुत talented लोक होचंदी ए ओडिया लोक भी बाहर काम करचंदी बेंगलोर केरला
हॉलीवुड रे भी
काम करचंदी so the main thing according in Odisha it is because of budget because Boxy Jayabandre lots of VFX is there and
yes.
So we need such a technical person who can help us so that the budget will be in control and we want to give a good movie from Odisha.
That is what I say कि आमर जदि ओडिया रे जति भलो भलो आर्टिस्ट अछंते बा आमर टेक्नीशियंस अछंते से माने जदि एमती गोटे गोटे मूवी हेल्प करि थांते मे बी आमर ई मूवीज गुडा आहुरी भलो भाबरे देखाई पारता.
Yeah, sure.
Isn't it?
Very soon it will happen.
95 रू आपण स्टार्ट कले ओडिया मूवी एज अ कोरियोग्राफर.
95 and 99. No, my first film was Solo Shukrawar.
Solo Shukrawar is 99. And then Prem Bandhan. That is also in 99.
No, Prem Bandhan was 2000. Then Suno Sankali. 2001. Varsha and Jeet from Bengal. Ravi Kinai ji director. Then Suno Sankali pore Tu Ekam Savarsa. And then Baji cinema.
Yes.
Baji.
माने आपण को लिस्ट रे बहुत अछि मो मन खाली तुमरी पय 16 शुक्रवार प्रेम बंधन बाजी तते मोराण बाबू आई लव यू तू एका हम सा भरोसा चका चका भौरी मु तते लव करूची फेरिया मो सुना भौणी so many movies.
Yeah, lot of
yes, so many movies. So do you think Balunga Toka kind of movie is going to come again with you?
Very sure.
Very soon. तो सर आपण सहित मु कथा है कि बहुत बढ़िया लगिला आपण माने एबे जो नुआ गोटे स्टेप नै चंदी जे आपण ओडिया फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को नुआ आर्टिस्ट देबे नुआ पिला देबे सो दैट इज अ फैबुलस थॉट. I would also be there with you.
I need your cooperation also.
100%, sir. The time I got to know that, I thought I should be there because that is a great thing. Because people are not getting a chance.
Yeah. बहुत लोगों को
everyone is thinking like I should have a godfather here.
ये कला ऊपर समस्त को बहुत भलो पाइबा अछि.
Yes.
Yesterday night also I was sitting and गोटे काटी कोतली कल्पना रे even that man must be 52. ता मित्र भी गोटे कला अछि.
Yes.
He wanted to prove himself at this age also. So that I want to bring it out.
Wow.
Not only hero heroine, character artists, father artists, comedians, because on sports I'm doing a movie, so very soon it will be announced. So say cinema re, we need lot of characters. But a team रे गोटे 7 players 10 players ए पारे तो opposite team रे गोटे 10-11 players, so we need lot of artists, and सब artists को there will be some importance. सेमती गोटे कहानी हमें चूज कर ली. So very soon it will be announced, and we are going to hunt the best
artist
from Odisha.
I have few questions you need to answer, like you answer करिए. तो मोर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होची जे समटाइम्स मनी समटाइम्स विदाउट मनी कोटा को आपण लाइक करते को स्टेज रे सम
ऑब्वियसली मनी, बट मते बहुत जगह रे पैसा मिलनी काम करी जाए. आई लव माय वर्क एंड प्रोफेशन.
ओके सो एबे जदि चांस मिलिबो कोन से नुआ आर्टिस्ट को सहित नुआ हीरो सहित काम करिया पाई माने फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री बट ही इज अ न्यू वन देन कहा से तो काम करिवे.
दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू सर्च अ न्यू हीरो ना.
तो केबे बहुत प्रॉब्लम रे केबे पकई चंती ओडिया इंडस्ट्री रो लोको
नहीं एमती किसी समस्त ऑल आर वेरी गुड फ्रेंडली टुवर्ड्स मी. दे लव मी. मोर काम बहुत लोग भल पाए मते, एंड दे नो दैट सुधाकर सर कम्स मीन्स वर्क विल बी वंडरफुल. तो से 25 वर्ष मु बंचिक रोची ओडिशा रे, एंड स्टिल ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन, ऑल डायरेक्टर्स, ऑल प्रोड्यूसर्स, दे लव माय वर्क.
फिल्म रे म्यूजिक स्क्रिप्ट और डायरेक्शन आर्टिस्ट कोटा बेसी मायने रखे
कोटा बेसी
मायने रखे
ना. फिल्म रे बेस होची स्क्रिप्ट. इफ द स्क्रिप्ट इज गुड ऑटोमेटिकली म्यूजिक विल बी गुड. तो म्यूजिक इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड बैकबोन फॉर अ फिल्म. एंड नाउडेज अभी सिनेमा रे गीत कमी गला. प्रथमे 6 गीत थिला, ता पूर्व सब 10-15 सॉन्ग्स होता. देन इट बिकेम 6-5, नाउ 4-3, 2 ए गलानी. बट म्यूजिक इज अ very good backbone for a script. And cameraman,
okay,
he should be mind blowing according to the nature, according to the scene he has to shoot and give to us. And dialogue writer, he is also all. It's a teamwork. Film में ये गोटे दिनसो बोलो ये दिनसो बोलो नहीं सब all, even from the grassroots like a production boy से भी गोटे बोला दरकार.
I request you all that कि आपण माने समस्त ओडिया मूवी देखंतु, बिकॉज आमे ओडिया मूवी देखिया कथा बेले बेले क्रिटिसाइज करबा निहाती जरूरी. आमे कोन भाबंती सर वी ऑलवेज थिंक लाइक कि आमे सुधाकर सर को जानिचु तांको आमे भूलटा कहबुनी कि मते इटा खराब लागिला बोली कहबुनी. इज दैट गुड?
नो, where there is positive negative भी था. तो always carry forward the positive. Someone negative रे किछ ना किछ कोई पारे, we shouldn't hurt and we should reply for them. We just look straight. I have to reach there. से टारगेट को लेके आगे बढ़वा दरकार. Don't turn back and don't reply those people. The industry should grow. We have to give good films. We have to entertain the people. So concentrate on good movies.
एतिकी वर्ष भितर आपण कोन फील कले जे ओडिया इंडस्ट्री रे हमर ओडिया लोक मान को कोटा बेसी दरकार? सैड मूवी हेतिवा दरकार कि एक्शन मूवी हेतिवा दरकार? कोटा तो गोटे माने वेरी फेवरेट थिबो.
नहीं समस्त देखो सब गोटे लंच कोले से किछि लोगों को डालमा भात पसंद, किछि लोगों को नॉन वेज पसंद,
90%
किछि लोगों को पकड़ो पसंद. तो समथिंग वी नीड एवरीथिंग. commercial
so you put everything into
commercial
cinema
because
then...
sub language re emotion sentiment is main, right from Mahabharata Ramayana to emotion sentiment is main for our Indian culture. Bolak bhai bhi bahut pasand hai samajhta hai. Odisha re I got enough of love, father mother sentiment, all it emotion sentiment action. Nowadays youngsters घर पे देख लो तो साना पो 24 hours पूरा से PlayStation रे fight action करे. So they need action. So according to the different ages of people, we have to make a movie.
So मु सब बेले फील करूची जे बहुत टैलेंटेड लोक माने आम इंडस्ट्री रे रहिया कथा. से माने तेणी की जोठु भी हुअंतु ओडिशा लोक हवा निहाती जरूरी नुह. आ ओडिशा इंडस्ट्री को जदी आगो को नेकी जाउचंती दैट इज अ ग्रेट थिंग एंड आमे तांको सैल्यूट करिया कथा. थैंक यू सो मच सर आपण मते एते समय देले.
सेम हियर. थैंक यू. थ्रू योर चैनल सब ओडिशा वासी ये इंटरव्यू देखि पारे, and I am so much glad. and very soon we are going to announce my forthcoming movie. So got a Nua hero, Nua heroine, Bappa, Ma, comedian, sub we are going to search and we are going to hide. So upon Managra Ashirwad and Prabhugra Ashirwad, both Sigo, but a Bolo hero, heroine, I have to get it so that the film will start immediately and Priya ambition be acting koribaku se bhi puran hobo.
That is true. Thank you so much. ଆପଣ ମାନେ ମନେ ରଖିଲେ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଚାନ୍ସ ଶୀଘ୍ର ଆସୁଛି ଆଉ ଏଇ ଚାନ୍ସର ଫାଇଦା ଆପଣ 100% ଉଠେଇବେ କେମିତି ଅଲରେଡ଼ି କୁହା ସରିଲାଣି ସୋ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସୋ ମଚ୍ ବହୁତ ବହୁତ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ଅଲ୍ କାରଣ ଆପଣ ୱାଚ୍ କଲେ ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲଟିକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିବେ ଲାଇକ୍ କରିବେ ସେୟାର କରିବେ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟିକୁ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସୋ ମଚ୍
Jai Jagannath.
ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ